If you're seeing the AnyDesk error invalid destination address, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when the destination ID is typed incorrectly, when the app is outdated, or when your firewall is blocking the connection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check the ID, update AnyDesk, and adjust your firewall settings so you can connect properly again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check the destination address carefully. In most cases, this error appears because the AnyDesk ID was entered with a typing mistake. The target ID should be a clean sequence of numbers, usually 9 digits long. So if you copied the ID, take a moment to look for any extra spaces, missing numbers, or letters that were added by mistake. Even one incorrect character can cause the connection to fail. If the address looks too short or has formatting issues, it will not process correctly. Delete the ID, type it again slowly, and make sure there are no spaces between the numbers. Once you've confirmed the ID is correct, try connecting again and see if the problem is resolved. If the ID is correct and you're still getting the same error, the next step is to update AnyDesk on both computers. This is very important because connection issues can happen when one device is running an older version of the software. To update it, go to the official AnyDesk website on both the computer you are using and the remote computer you are trying to reach. Download the latest version, then install the update following the on-screen instructions. After the installation is complete, reopen AnyDesk on both devices and check whether the error is gone. Keeping both computers on the same updated version can fix compatibility problems and improve the connection. Now, if the ID is right and AnyDesk is updated but the error still shows up, your firewall may be blocking the connection. This is another common reason for the invalid destination address issue. To check this on Windows, click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open the firewall settings when it appears. From there, click on the option that says Allow an app through firewall. This section controls which applications are allowed to communicate through your system security settings. Once you're in the allowed apps list, find AnyDesk. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are selected. This step is important because if AnyDesk is only allowed on one network type, it may still fail when you switch connections or try to connect from a different location. After selecting both boxes, save your changes and close the window. Then go back to AnyDesk and try the connection again. If needed, you can also restart both computers after making these changes. A quick restart can help refresh the app, apply the firewall settings, and clear temporary connection issues. After rebooting, open AnyDesk one more time and test the connection using the correct destination ID. So to quickly recap, when you see the AnyDesk Invalid Destination Address error, first check for typing errors and make sure the ID is a proper 9-digit number with no spaces. Then update AnyDesk on both computers from the official website. And finally, check your Windows Firewall settings and allow AnyDesk through both private and public networks. These simple steps solve the issue in most cases. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.